Brake lights, those red beacons on the back of your Kia Sportage, serve as a crucial safety feature on the road. When a driver applies the brakes, the brake lights illuminate, signaling to other drivers that the vehicle is slowing down or stopping. If you find that the brake lights, including the one on the rear spoiler, do not turn on when you press the brake pedal in your Sportage, the first step is to check the fuse. Now, locating the fuse box in your Sportage is pretty straightforward. You will find it just beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. It's concealed by a plastic cover. Once you have got the cover off, you will see a diagram indicating which fuse corresponds to the brake lights. Take a look at the diagram to identify the exact fuse you need to check. It's a 7.5 amp fuse and it's labeled stop lamp. To pull out the fuse, you will need a pair of needle nose pliers or a fuse puller tool. In most Sportage models, you can find a fuse puller tool in the engine compartment fuse box. Now carefully remove the fuse for the brake lights. Take a good look at it to see if the metal strip inside is intact. If it's blown or damaged, that's likely the culprit behind your brake lights not working. If you're unsure about the condition of the fuse, you can use a multimeter to perform a continuity test. If the resistance is 0, the fuse is good. Now grab a replacement fuse of the same amperage reading. If you don't have a spare fuse, you can get one from the engine compartment fuse box. Lift up the fuse box cover in the engine compartment and look at the diagram on the back of the cover to find the location of the spare fuses. Take out a 7.5 amp spare fuse. Now in the passenger compartment fuse box, insert the new fuse into place. Making sure it's seated securely. Now close the fuse box cover. Now test your brake lights to make sure they are working properly. Have someone press the brake pedal while you check both the tail lights and the high mounted brake light. Remember, if the fuse blows again after you have replaced it, then there is likely an electrical issue that needs to be investigated further. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips.